Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In the last video a lot of people had problems to setting up Roxy Plus. So today I will explain everything in this video, how to set it up, how to use it, and all the commands inside Roxy Plus. This video might be a bit longer, but watch till the end, everything will be clear. If you skip the video and face any issue, I won't able to help you. So let's start the video. So first of all, you need a hosting. There are many hosting options in the market, but a lot of don't allow to use self-hosted. So finding a good hosting is your job, not mine. For example, I will use Optic Link. If you have a different hosting, step will be still same. So let's start. First, go to the OptiLink page. Then you will see a login option. Click on login. After that, choose login with Discord. Now login in using an alternative Discord account. Don't use your main account. Use any alt Discord account. After login, you will see a page like this, and if you are in a mobile device, then enable desktop mode. Next, you will see a create server button. Click on it. Now you can enter your server name. Put whatever name you like. After naming it, don't change anything else. Just scroll down and select United States as the location, and in the select game section, select bot hosting. Then in server type, select discord.js, node.js. Now click on create server. After that, you will see a login to panel option. Click on it. You will get a username and password there. Now click on panel login and login using the same username and password. Okay, so after login into the panel, first you will see a notice on the top. Since we are using free server, it has some limitation. You need to log in once every 3 days using that link. Basically just go to their dashboard and log in once. If you don't log in within 3 days, your server will go offline, and after 7 days it will delete it automatically. So if you want to keep your server always online, log in once every 3 days. After that, you will see your server here. Click on the server and you can see something like this. After that, go to the file section and select all the file and delete everything, and after that click on upload option. You will need to upload a file start.js. You will find the link in the description. Open and download it from the Google Drive, then upload that file here. After uploading, click on create new file. Now you need to paste a template here. You will get this template in my Discord server. Join my Discord server, go to the Roxy Plus category, then open the docs channel, copy the template from there and paste it here. Then at the top you will see a token option. You need to paste your real token there. If you don't know how to get the token, then you can watch this video. This is on my YouTube channel. After that, you will see a prefix option here. You can change it if you want. You can use dot, question mark, comma, anything you like. So just set your own prefix here. After that, you will see the lava link option. Make sure you don't touch it. It's already configured. Just leave it as it is. After that, you will see the AI underscore API option. Here you will need to paste your NVIDIA API key. If you don't know how to get NVIDIA API key, then go to the NVIDIA website. You can find the link in the description, and you need to create an account here. And for API access, you will need to verify your phone number. So if you don't have any phone number, you can ask your friends or something. So after logging in, go to your profile option and then click on API keys. Now click on generate API key. Now here enter any name whatever you like, and then click on generate key and then copy your API key. Now save it somewhere safe like notepad, and then you need to paste your API key here. After that, you will see app username and the app password option. Here you will need to create your own username and your own password. Set a strong password. You will use this to log into your dashboard so no one else can access it. Make sure you don't share your username and password with anyone. After that, click on create file. It will ask for a file name. Name it .env exactly as shown. Then click on create file. After that, click on save content. After that, go to console option. You will see server address there. At the end after a colon, you will see some numbers. That is your port. Copy that number. Now go back to the file section. Open .env file. Add a new line and type port is equal to and paste your port here. Make sure everything is in capital letter. After that, click on save content. After that, go to the startup option. You will see a file name like index.js. You will need to replace this index.js with start.js and make sure all in lowercase, and in additional node packages remove everything there and type npm I. Then go to the console and click on start button. It may take 3 to 4 minutes to install everything, so just wait for it. Once your server starts running, you will see something like this in the console. After that, you will see your server address here. Just click on it to copy your server address. Then open a new browser tab and paste your server address in URL bar. Now you can see your dashboard here. Okay, so after opening a dashboard, it will ask for username, password and access key. Enter the same username you set in .env file and enter the same password as well. Now for the access key, click on don't have access key, get free access key here. Then it will open a link vertice page, and you already know how to bypass link vertice. If it asks you to wait for 1 hour, just copy the link vertice URL and open it in another browser. Make sure that browser have no any ad blocker. Now paste your key here and click on login. Alright, so the setup is done. Now let's move on to the feature and commands. So let's start. As soon as you open the dashboard, you will see many options. Okay, so here you will see status mode option. Here you can set your Discord status like online, idle, DND or invisible. For example, I set it to DND. Click on update status. Now if I check Discord, you can see my status is set to DND. Next, let's add an emoji. For example, I will pick this emoji. In the custom message section, you can write anything what you want. For example, I will set hi. If you have Nitro, you can set custom emojis. Otherwise, you can set normal emojis. After adding everything, click on update status again. Now, if I check Discord, you can see status is updated, same emoji and hi message is showing. Now, let's move on next feature. Now, at the corner, you will see a purple super key icon. Click on it. After clicking, you will see many options. First, go to the AFK option. Here you will get a button to enable AFK or disable AFK. For example, I will enable AFK. In the AFK region, you can write anything. For example, I am AFK right now. Then click on save region. Now if I check on Discord and someone mention your ID, your AFK message will be sent automatically. And here is a smart move. If I ping again, then bot will not reply to that message to avoid spam. Now below that, you will see recent mention option. This will collect logs of your mentions, like who pinged you and where. For example, I will turn it on. Then if someone mention me on Discord, you will see all the details here, like who mentioned you, what message it was, when it happened and which server. You can also click on it and it will directly open that message in your Discord, and you can clear all logs here. Okay, now click on super key and go to the command section. Here you will find a lot of commands. First, go to the rich presence section. You will see control panel here. First, enable RPC. Now if you check Discord, you will see a default RPC showing Roxy Plus. Now let's customize it. You can choose option like playing, streaming, watching, listening, etc. Now scroll down. Here you will see details and state option. You can set them whatever you want. For example, I will write cool in details and hum in state. Okay, now scroll a bit more. Here you will see time details and progress bar options. You can set start time for your RPC. For example, I will enter a random number and set the unit to minutes. Now scroll down and click on save config. If you check Discord, you will see detail, state and timing updated. Now let's try something else. Change it to listening. Now enable the Spotify style progress bar. You will also need to set an end time. Set any value, then choose minutes, scroll down and like save the config. Now if you check Discord, you will see a nice progress bar. Now let's add an image. First go to Discord, upload any image like any image or GIF. After uploading, click on the image. Now click on the three dot, then copy media URL. Now paste that link in large image and then scroll down and save the config. Now if you check Discord, you will see image and timer is working. Next, you can add buttons. For example, I will set the text as hi and add a button URL and then click on save config. Now on Discord, you will see the button. Now let's try changing it to streaming and click on save again. Now Discord will show it as streaming. Now switch back to playing. Here you will also see a spoofing option. You will see option like Crunchyroll and PlayStation. Keep Crunchyroll selected. Scroll down and save config. Now on Discord, it will show a Crunchyroll style presence. It will look like you are actually using Crunchyroll. Now let's try PlayStation. Select it and save again. Now it will show playing on PlayStation with the PlayStation logo, which looks very realistic. Now let's turn it off. Next, move to game spoofing, enable it and again save the config. Now if you check Discord, you can set up playing as Minecraft or playing as Genshin. I will add more games soon. This is basically same feature as Roxy RPG Pro. Now let's move on next feature. Okay, now again click on the super key, then go to the command section. Now you will see an option called auto reaction. Open it. Here you can set custom keyword. For example, I will type cool in the keyword, and in the emoji section, you can add multiple emojis. Just spread them with a space. If you have Nitro, you can also use custom emojis. I will use this lemon emoji. After setting everything, click on add trigger. Okay, as you can see, the text trigger is added. Now at the top you will see two options, whitelist channel and whitelist server. This means you can limit the reaction to a specific server or specific channels. For example, I will add a server, go to Discord and copy the server ID, paste the ID here and click on add server. Now your server is added. If I go to that Discord server and type cool, you can see the lemon reaction appears. Also you can set custom user reaction. Click here and select user ID, and then in triggered we need to paste user ID. For example, I will paste my user ID, and in emoji section you can add any emoji. For example, I am adding custom emojis. So now if I go to Discord and type anything, you can see reaction will appear, and now whenever that user sends any message, reaction will be added automatically. This can be a bit risky, but it's fun to try. You can turn it off later. Okay, at the top you will see a global enable option. If it's turned on, the reaction system will work everywhere in all server and all channels. If it's turned off, it will only work in selected server and channels, the ones you added. So if you want it everywhere, just turn on global enable. Alright, now let's move on the next feature. Click on back button. Now you will see an option called mirror. Open it. After opening, you will see this interface. Here you can select normal mirror or clone mirror. Here you can add a source channel ID and target channel ID. So let's add a source channel ID and then add a target channel ID. Now click on start mirroring. You can see mirror is now active. If you go to Discord and send message in source channel, and if you send an image or anything like image, video or message, then that same message, video and everything will appear in target channel. And now let's talk about clone mirror. For this you will need admin permission in target channel ID because it uses webhook. So let's set up a channel here, and now when you send a message in source channel ID, then it will be cloned using a webhook. You can see the name and avatar also match the original user, so it looks exactly like the real message. It also support image and videos. Okay, now let's move on to the next feature. Go back again. You will see an option called clipboard. Open it. Here you can add custom trigger word. For example, I will type WS. In the response, you can paste anything like a script or a long message. Then click on add to clipboard. Now your trigger is created. To use it, you need to add your ID in allow IDs. So go back again, scroll down and click on allow IDs. Now copy your Discord user ID, paste it here, then click on add user access. Now your ID is added. Now if you run the clipboard command, you will see the same message sent. And one more cool thing, if you reply to someone using this trigger, it will reply to that user with the same message. Okay, now let's see the next feature. Go back again. You will see an option called auto message. Open it. Here you will see option for channel ID and user ID. You can use it for a channel or a specific user. For example, I will paste a channel ID. Now set the interval. For example, I will set it to 5. You can choose second, minute, hour or days. I will select seconds. In the message content, type anything you want. For example, what's up guys? Then click on add schedule. Now your schedule is created. If you check that channel, you will see the message sending every 5 seconds. So this is how you can set up auto message for a specific channel or for a specific user. Okay, let's move to the next feature. Go back again. You will see an option called timed message. Open it. It's similar to the auto message, but here you can set a specific time. At that exact time the message will be sent. That's basically it. It's simple, not too advanced. Okay, now let's move on to the next feature. Next is welcomer. This one is bit advanced, so let's understand it properly. Open it first. You will see an option to select welcome type. You can choose card or text message. For now I will choose welcome card. You can customize the text on the card like welcome to the server, etc. You can also add username, member count, etc. You can use placeholder like user, server, count. Place them anywhere you want. If you write in a new line, it will also show in the new line on the image. So you can design it however you like. You can also change the username font color. And a pro tip, if you want to change the card background, then just open your file tab and open data folder and then upload an image and rename it welcome.jpg. That's it. Now click on save changes. After that, paste your channel ID here where you want the welcome message. Then click on enable in this channel. Now your channel is set. You can test it yourself to see how it works. So let's move on the next feature. Now again click on super key. Now you can see AI chat here. Open it. Okay, now you can select models here. There are two models, one fast and one is slow. So I suggest you to use slow model because it can perform very good. And then you can change the name of AI and you can change backstory and personality, and finally you can set up system rule. If you don't know how to configure this AI, then just go to my Discord server, then go to the request command channel. You will find a channel of config. Open it and copy the config. It is a pre-built config and you can change the name, backstory and personality. Also read the system rule carefully and change it according to you. And also if you have nitro, you can give it a list of custom nitro emoji. After that, click on save settings. Okay, now here you can add ban words, so bot not gonna reply to that word. And finally you can add whitelist server and whitelist channel. For example, I'm adding this channel. Okay, so let's test the AI. You can say it's typing right now. It is very slow, but their response is very good. You can say it is reply very realistic. It's all depends on your config, how you configure your AI. Now let's select the fast model and see the response. So you can say this is very fast. Okay, now let's move on next feature. Click on the super key again. Then you will see a music option. Open it. You will see an interface like this. First select a server, then select a voice channel. Choose where you want to play music. Now click on join voice. The bot will join the server. Now let's check on Discord. You will see the bot has joined the voice channel. Now let's join the voice channel myself. Okay, now go back to the dashboard. Click on play music. Enter any music name. Then click on play button or you can hit enter. Now you can see the music has started. It's playing in Discord. You can control everything from here like skip the music, loop, autoplay, volume, etc. Or if you don't want to play music, you can use it for 24/7 VC farming. Okay, now let's move on to the next feature. Again click on super key. Now you will see a quest option. Click on it. It will open the auto quest completer. Here you will see three buttons. If you click on start all, your quest will start completing. You can see the progress console here. After some time all quests will be completed. You just need to open Discord and claim them. Now let's move on the next feature. Click on the super key. Now you will see a cloner option. Click on it. It will open the server cloner. Here you will need to enter source server ID. For example, I will copy this server. This is fucking my own server. Okay, so now paste your ID here. And now let's copy the target server ID. For example, I will use this server. Okay, now you can see some option here, like you can enable or disable role channels, emoji, etc. You can like customize it however you like. After setting everything, click on start cloning. You can also see the console here. It will take some time just because of Discord rate limit. So all the dashboard feature and commands end here. Now let's move on Discord commands. Okay, now on Discord, type your prefix and help. You will see a category list here. For example, here we can see three categories: utility, music and fun. First, let's check the utility category. Type your prefix plus help and category name. For example, prefix help utility. Press enter and you will see the full command list. There are many commands here. Let's go one by one. First, let me copy the command list because it auto deleted after some time. Okay, now the first command is image. This command generate AI image. Use your prefix and then img and then write your prompt. You can see the bot replied okay, and now it generated the image. Now moving on to the next command. Next is dm command. To use it, you need the user ID. Type prefix dm and user ID and your message here and then press enter. Okay, so looks like my dm is closed. Let me open my dm. Alright, now you can see it's sending the message in dm. And next command is help command. You already know it. And now next command is ping command. You already know it how it works, so I don't need to explain this one. Okay, now next command is purge command. It is basically delete command. It will delete your all port messages, like your prefix, purge and number of message you want to delete. You see the port deleted a message. Okay, the next command is say command. Use prefix say and type your text here, then press enter. The bot will send the same text. Okay, next is the trigger command. If you remember, we created custom trigger in clipboard. This is the same thing. You already know how to use it. Next is the math command. You don't need to use prefix here. So this is basically calculator command. You already know how to use it. Just type whatever number you want to calculate and press enter. It will send the directly answer. Okay, so next is currency converter, and you already know how it works. I don't need to explain this one. Also, you can get Bitcoin LTC live rate. Okay, so next command is QR command, and this is a unique command. First type QR without prefix and hit enter. Then bot will ask for a QR link or image. After uploading QR, it will ask for your ID like PayPal ID, UPI ID, etc. If you want, then send it. If you don't want, then just type no and enter. And next time when you type QR, the bot will send the same QR and the same ID. Okay, next is the IP command. Using this, you can get the details of any IP. For example, I'll try IP discord.com. You will see details like coordinates and Google Map, etc. So yeah, it's useful tool. Okay, so now let's move on the next category. Next is music. Now type prefix help music and you can see all the commands. These are basic commands, so I'm not gonna explain everything. You already saw the music system in the dashboard, and dashboard system is better than commands because no one can notice it. Now let me show a few useful commands. First is the fav command. It adds the current playing song in your favorite list. Okay, now next command is the join command. You can use it to join a voice channel. And then next command is the leave command. So you can use this command to leave a voice channel. Another good command is TTS command. It converts your text to speech. Whatever you type in chat will be played in voice channel. So it's kinda useful. So hope so you can try all this command yourself. Okay, now the next category is fun category, and you will see many commands here. First command is mimic command. Use prefix mimic plus user ID. You can also mention the user. After running it, the bot will mimic that user. Whatever that user types, the bot will send the same message. It's fun but a bit risky. Use it carefully. You can also turn off it using mimic off plus user ID. Okay, next command is waifu. When you type waifu, you will get a waifu image. But there is a twist. If you use it a normal channel, you will get a normal waifu image. But if you use it in a NSFW channel where age restricted is enabled, you will get a NSFW waifu image. Same goes for the Nico command. In a normal channel, you will get a normal image, and in a age restricted channel, you will get NSFW image. Okay, next are some interaction commands. For example, hug, kiss, kill, etc. If you type prefix hug, you will get a normal GIF. But if you reply to someone with this command, the bot will send the hug GIF as a reply to that user. You can also turn off the ping so they won't know it was you, and then you can delete your command message so it's look clean and hidden. It's a smart way to use it. There are more commands like this, and at the end there are some 18 plus commands, so I'm not gonna show it on YouTube. You can try those yourself. Hey, last time I forgot to add something. I forgot to record it, so I will explain it now. If you want to monitor your system using a webhook, you can add a webhook URL. Just open your file tab and open .env file and go to the last line. Type webhook all in capital, then is equal to, and paste your webhook URL. If you don't know how to get your webhook URL, you can search on YouTube, and then save your file and restart your server. That's it. And after that, your all console logs will appear in your Discord server. Also, there are two hidden features. First is the Instagram. If you send an Instagram link, the bot will detect it and convert it into a video, then send it back. Same with YouTube. If you paste any YouTube link, it will convert into a video, so you can play it directly inside Discord. Make sure to try them. Okay, so one more important thing. If you are in our Discord server and you want notification about updates, so just go to Docs channel in Roxy Plus category. Here you will need to react to this message. Then you will get Roxy Plus update role. Then go to commit channel. We post daily updates here, like a new feature or new changes, everything. And at the bottom there is a request command channel. You can report existing bug or suggest a new feature. Make sure that feature is useful and it should not break any Discord API limit like spam or new command. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.